Hi, this is Quinn with Impeccabilities, and today I'm going to show you how to gang up files and add print marks in Illustrator for when you're using printers that don't have a RIP software in them. So right here I've got my artwork with my bleed, and I've got a rectangle that's the size of my finished artwork. For this file I'm going to be making these two up to fit on the paper, but you can also add as many will fit into the size paper that you're using. So I'm going to take this, which is my finished size, and I'm going to center it on my artboard on top of the art. And I'm going to select everything with Control A and hold Shift and Alt and drag down and just butt that up to the bottom of the other one so that I've got two here because I know this is what will fit on my paper. And then I'm going to select this top rectangle here and go up to Object, Create Trim Marks, and I'm going to do the same with the bottom one. Now I can remove these rectangles, and then there's two marks on either side that we're going to want to remove because those might show up in that print area. So we'll get rid of this one here and this one here and these here so that we've only got marks that are outside of the graphic. And then I'm going to do Control A again to select all and Control G to group it. Then I'm going to go to my artboard tool, which is Shift O. And I'm just going to make an artboard that's the size of that whole group there. And now when this prints, it will print this full thing on the page, so we will already have our gutters and our crop marks so that we can do our small format. Thank you.